Metro is a simple currency trading strategy that combines the simplicity and competence of the Metro and the Eurovni custom indicators. The strategy is designed to yield precise and profitable trading signals. Chart setup: MetaTrader 4 indicators. Metro. X4, default setting, Eurovni. X4, default setting. Preferred time frames: 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, day. Recommended trading sessions: any currency pairs, US dollar to Swiss franc, Euro to US dollar to Japanese yen, Pound sterling to US dollar, Australian dollar to US dollar to Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar to US dollar, Euro to Swiss franc, Canadian dollar to Japanese yen, Swiss franc to Japanese yen, Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar, USD/. Some people love to take risks. They are fine with taking huge risks if the reward is high enough. These type of people, if they opt to become traders, often wind up to be the type of traders who love taking risky trades with a possibility of gaining high rewards. However, not all traders are like that. There are those who would want to mitigate risks as much as possible. There are traders who would rather take high probability trades even if it meant that they would taking lower yields compared to the others. And that is fine. There is no right or wrong way to trade, only profitable or non-profitable traders. The Metro Trend Forex trading strategy is more for the second type of trader. This strategy is for those who are fine with relatively lower yield yet have better consistency. This is for those who would prefer high probability trades rather than high yielding trades. Although this strategy is much of a high probability trade strategy, it still delivers positive reward-risk ratios, which makes it even better for such traders. It allows for consistent profitability through a high win ratio and a decent reward-risk ratio. The Moving Average Convergence and Divergence, MACD, indicator is one of the staple momentum indicators for most traders. It is a proven technical analysis tool which provides high-quality trade signals. Retail traders use it, professional traders use it, technical analysts and chartists use it, even institutional, bank, traders use it. The MACD is traditionally displayed as an oscillating indicator. It is plotted as an unbounded oscillating indicator which oscillates around a midline. Its oscillations mirror price action movement quite well, moving higher whenever it detects a bullish trend or lower if otherwise. The MACD oscillates around its midline, which is at 0. Whenever its lines or histogram bars stray far from the midline, traders could assume that the market is either overbought or oversold. Crosses over the midline also indicate a change in trend direction. The MACD trend candles, however, removes the standard oscillating lines and bars from the window. Instead, it conveniently overlays bars on the price chart. It indicates trend direction by changing colors depending on how the oscillating traditional MACD should be displayed. It uses 4 different colors to represent the position of the MACD lines and bars and its trajectory, whether the MACD is rising while below the midline, rising while above the midline, falling while above the midline, or falling while below the midline. All these conditions have different implications regarding trend reversals, overextended market conditions and trend direction. Metro indicator: the Metro indicator is a custom oscillating indicator which helps traders identify momentum and trend direction. It is a bounded oscillator with markers at the 20 to 80 range. Price is considered oversold when the Metro indicator line draws nearer to 20 and overbought if it is drawn nearer to 80. What is unique about this indicator is that instead of having a midline which acts as a trigger line, it draws a separate line to act as the trigger line. This line is drawn freely on the indicator window and moves up and down depending on how it detects trend direction. This line typically represents the long-term trend. It also displays another 2 lines which represents the short-term trend. These lines tend to move much faster compared to the long-term line, and shadows price action movement closely. Trading strategy: this trading strategy is geared towards taking high-quality trades that profit on short to mid-term trends. These trends to move in one direction